guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'm gonna draw Iron Spiderman from Avengers Infinity War. So we have just hit 50k subscribers on YouTube, which is a big milestone for me. So that is why I wanted to draw something different, something unique, and wanted to challenge myself at the same time. So I decided to draw my first Marvel character for reaching 50,000 subscribers. So I have never drawn a Marvel character before. As you all know, I draw anime characters, and that is why I thought it would be a good challenge for me to draw a Marvel character for making a special video. And 50,000 subscribers is a huge milestone for me, so I wanted to make this special. I wanted to make this more memorable, so that is why I thought this would be a good drawing to make it special. By the way, I really love the new Avengers Infinity War movie, and Iron Spiderman, as we all know, was introduced for the first time in this movie. So I personally liked him a lot. So I am really excited to draw him, and I won't be showing what materials I'm going to use in this video. In fact, I'm going to put them in the description down below, so you can check it out, the materials I used in the description box. And yes, for the first time I'm also going to use a different approach to draw. You all know I use a box method usually to draw, but this time I will use a different method, which is also known as grid method. So I'm trying this method for the first time, and it is quite a popular method to draw. It is very widely used by artists. I'm not going to explain in detail how this method works. There are plenty of videos out there if you want to know how this method works. And I'll be using a 2.8 centimeters grid on the whole page, and the page is A4 size. Do stick till the end of the video for my reviews on this new approach which I'll be trying, and also for the reviews on my drawing. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. and our drawing is complete. What to say? I'm speechless. Like I don't know what to say. I really can't believe I drew this. It's looking so good. I was not expecting this at all, especially when I knew that this was going to be my first Marvel character drawing. In fact, I was really very nervous to draw this, and I knew this would be really challenging to draw, to sketch, to ink, and especially coloring. I was so confused and doubtful about this drawing that I should draw this or not for 50k special, because if I ruin this up or it did not turn out to be so great, I really didn't want it that. It was a really big gamble for me, because these drawings are very different from anime drawings. These drawings have more details and they look more realistic. It was so challenging. There are so many detailings in this drawing. The sketching was really difficult. It took me a lot of time to sketch, and then inking was also really difficult because everything is so perfectly curved or perfectly straight, which was the challenge to ink. The coloring was the biggest challenge because most of the details are in the coloring. The shades, the layers, I guess this was the most detailed work I've done till now, and because of that it was also the most fun, enjoyable drawing I have done so far. And my pace in this drawing was the slowest, I guess. It took me a lot of time to complete this drawing, I guess more than a week. Yes, that's right, because this drawing was very different from what I usually draw. My pace was really slow on this one, also because it was my first Marvel drawing, and I really didn't want it to mess it up, and I wanted to make this my best work. But at the end it was all worth it. It really turned out great, and I am very happy with this drawing. Also, the new approach which I tried for this drawing, the grid method, I really love this method. I am definitely going to use in my upcoming sketches. It was very useful, very helpful. This method is especially used for full page drawings where you have to keep all the body parts in right proportion and you have to place them perfectly. So with the help of this method, it gets comparatively easier to maintain the proportions and to place the body parts in their right place. I would also recommend this method to you if you haven't tried this method already. It is really great, and you should give it a try. So that was all about the drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. Also share, do you want to see more drawings like this in future? If yes, then which superhero would you like to see me drawing next time? And if you are not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome drawings, tutorials, Q&As, and more. Also, do ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. You can even follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at TheFatRat to get my daily updates, and I'll be also sharing their links down below, so go check them out. And yes, before going, a reminder for you guys. My next video is going to be a Q&A video. It's a new month, so we always have a Q&A at the beginning of every month. So we will have a Q&A video next. So leave your questions down below in comment section. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.